How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 2A News Now. And I really do appreciate everybody taking their time watching today's video. Real quick before I start the video, I just want to say from my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving. And also just keep your head on a swivel. There's a lot of crazy people out there. The Missouri Attorney General is suing one of the counties in his state because they're violating people's Second Amendment rights. The Attorney General of Missouri, Andrew Bailey, announced that he intends on suing Jackson County after the legislators in that county violated state gun rights. Attorney General Bailey announced on X that he would not tolerate Jackson County's ordinance, which is Ordinance 5865. That ordinance prohibits anyone under 21 from possessing firearms or ammunition. The Attorney General also informed the county not to shred any evidence and told them to preserve all material evidence and communications relating to the ordinance's implementation. In his statement, AG Bailey said, "I'll be filing suit against Jackson County for their illegal attempt to violate Missourians' right to keep and bear arms. They must preserve all communications and evidence in anticipation of litigation." Jackson County's Ordinance 5865 was introduced after the Kansas City Chiefs parade shooting in February of 2024. And during that shooting, 33 people were injured and 1 was killed. The police report shows that 2 juveniles were responsible for the shootings. So Jackson County, in their infinite wisdom, decided to pass this unconstitutional law. Just imagine if there was a mass shooter, and if they were, let's say for an example, Puerto Rican, or gay, or white, and a city decides they're going to pass a law banning certain individuals that fall under those categories from owning firearms. It makes no sense whatsoever. I've said it before and I'll say it again. These laws do nothing to stop criminals from getting firearms. It stops the law-abiding citizens from getting firearms so they can protect themselves, their family, and their property. And when Jackson County began their assault on the Second Amendment, the county executive, Frank White, did challenge the legislators that proposed this ordinance. And the county executive actually vetoed the ordinance after it was passed. Jackson referenced a law preventing counties from adopting regulations concerning the sale and ownership of firearms. And he informed the county the ordinance violates state law and would put the county in an unnecessary legal battle. And he was right. But on November 18th, the county legislators decided they weren't going to listen to the county executive, and they overrode his veto. And Attorney General Bailey also said in his letter, the Attorney General is especially concerned that the Jackson County legislators' actions have openly flouted Missouri law and are an attempt to undermine state authority. Be advised that any failure to preserve documents of probative value to the case, even if inadvertent, will constitute spoliation of evidence and may result in a finding of contempt from the court or sanctions. As you can see, the Missouri Attorney General Bailey doesn't put up with any crap. And what these states need to do that have these preemption laws, making it so cities and counties can't make any laws stronger than the states. And if they violate those laws, not only can that city or county be sued, but they need to make it so they can sue the legislators that voted for these laws. And in Florida, where I used to live, their preemption law stated whoever tried to pass that law, they would be fired and they would be charged $5,000. That wouldn't come out of the city or county fund. They had to pay it personally. But yet this continues to happen around the country. And they need to make these preemption laws stronger to hit them where it hurts, their pocketbook. They're fired and they're fined. And actually, they should go even further and put them in jail. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And as always, I appreciate everybody that supports the channel. It just amazes me how many people, after watching the video, like, share, and subscribe and hit those post notifications. And I'm very grateful that you guys do so. And I invite each and every one of you to come back and watch my next video.